Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm kind of just vlogging my experience. For the past 2 days I've been in rehearsals for GHMA, and an artist called Cabello asked me to be part of this project and I accepted. So now we're just in rehearsals. And basically what the whole situation is that Galen Hooks is giving opportunities to people who want to be creative directors, and kind of like there's not enough mentorship around it for a lot of artists who want to get into that area. So Lucy submitted a concept and it was chosen, which is amazing, and it's a really, really great concept. So we're just here right now in rehearsals. Don't want to say too much about it until the video is out and everything, but it's for a music video concept and we're filming it tomorrow. So we had a rehearsal yesterday, which was Tuesday, and today is Wednesday, and yeah, we're in rehearsal right now. I'm just kind of chilling because we've just done a few run-throughs in our costume as well, and yeah, so everyone's just on break. Some people are rehearsing right behind me. I'm filming on my iPhone today, guys, so the quality is not that amazing, but yeah. This is Ryan. Hey Ryan, come through. How's your experience been?
It's been great actually.
So Ryan is in my section that we do. So we're the business people, and like we're like going to work. We've got like newspapers. Introduce yourself.
Hi, obviously, my best friend. This is your handsome guy.
Yeah.
Mo.
Mo.
Me listening.
Okay.
Yeah, we're brothers. Yeah.
Amazing.
This is
You already know who it is.
Hey, Camila. Better get her. Introduce yourself.
It's your boy Calvin, and just Calvin, aka Sister.
Oh, that's all.
Introduce yourself.
Well, they already know who I am. This is my channel. But guys, these are the amazing dancers I'm dancing with, and they're so dope, and I can't wait for you guys to see the video. But yeah, we're literally in rehearsals, and yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm breaking my neck. We're in Husky Studios, which is in London. It's amazing that we're back in studios now, but obviously all the measures with, you know what, we have to wear masks when we come in, sanitizers and everything, but at least we're back in the studio and we're dancing. So guys, yeah, that's pretty much my day. I'll take you around a little bit so you guys can see what's happening. Everyone's literally going ham. Oh, just lighting. And have a little watch. Hey, get it. Hey, for my YouTube video. This is the lovely Sabrina. I just met her on this job and she's amazing. She's in the hip hop section, giving it all. So, but yeah. Let's not forget this queen. This queen, she's literally slaying her section. This is Rebecca. Introduce yourself. Let me know even.
I'm cheating banana. She called me in there.
So much. You need to feel yourself, you know. She's been going ham.
Hi everybody. Hope you are blessed and well. This is a beautiful queen.
Oh,
You
you are a
get
beautiful
to
queen.
know.
You are a beautiful queen.
Her journey has been crazy, and us knowing each other has been amazing.
Oh, bless you.
Like, oh babe, I've known her before she went bold and purple. Okay, it's a journey, right? We take a minute to get to that level of brilliance, you know. So I'm Rebecca. On Instagram, I'm Becky Boom. And I'm dancing today. We're doing the salon section. I feel like she's got little tails. You know, I've got this wig on today. Tomorrow, a different day. You know, black girls, let's change it up.
You're gonna have a different one.
Yeah, so tomorrow I'm actually gonna have 3 band 2 knots, and then my hair like a little bit longer like that.
Where can they find you on Instagram?
So I'm not on Instagram actually.
Oh really? At the moment?
I don't do Instagram.
Oh really?
You need to take my business card.
I could have sworn I went on your page the other day.
So can I
But
say,
yeah, I'll add everyone's Instagram so you
this
can
is
go follow
Rebecca.
them.
We've known each other for how long?
Oh babe, it's almost been years now, isn't it? No baby, it's a journey.
Oh look at this.
It's a
And
joke.
we're in the same
Bonded.
rehearsal. We're kind of forever.
For everyone.
But yeah, we're just kind of chilling at the moment.
Yes.
But we're gonna probably go back into rehearsals soon. But yeah, we're having a great day.
Oh, it's good.
So and it's a blessing to even be dancing again in the studio.
Oh babe, listen. Thank you, Huskies, for being open.
Yeah,
We really appreciate you. The
And
guidelines are
keeping the
very
guidelines.
strict. Very
Guys, I'll
strict.
check in with you a bit later.
Yes!
Dancer name, phone, email. Yes?
Guys are just practicing with Philip. Hip hop dancers doing their bits. But yeah, it's gonna be dope, guys. So this is Chris. He's in my team of suits. And we just got some notes from Phil, the choreographer, and yeah, we just need to do better, basically. No, we were good. We literally went from zero to hero yesterday. We were all over the place.
And in pain.
Yeah, and in pain. And our section is a lot, very, very jumpy, and yeah, it's full out. Yeah. You can't see, but yeah, we just got some notes just to clean up a few parts, but we're in a good part. So we're just waiting. We did some videos.
3 or 4 videos,
Yeah, so she's gonna give us some notes.
back to back. We had
So who
a
knows?
Zoom session with her yesterday.
Yeah, amazing. I was literally starstruck. And show her our costumes that we're wearing. But yeah, tomorrow we're filming in Carnaby Street. So we called us. But Chris, let them know who you are. Who are you?
Chris Phillips Gordon,
Okay.
we're a local creator,
Okay.
superhero.
Oh, okay. What's your specialty? Like, what do you do? Like, as a, you know?
I don't like to pick on myself. I just call myself a creative.
Okay.
I'm a dancer, choreographer, and have fun.
Oh, yeah. You better get it.
That's what it's about.
It's all about that, having fun. But guys, yeah, exactly. I'll keep you updated about what's happening later, but now, yeah, we're just going to get notes from Galen and then see what we're going to do. Oh, we've got going back. So guys, we are in costume at the moment because we're about to do some run-throughs, and I need you to meet this guy. I can't even introduce him. He needs to introduce himself because he's just... Come. Let people see you. Let them see you.
Hey y'all.
Introduce yourself. He's a
No
star.
way.
He's a
Okay.
He's our star. He plays. Who do you play? Tell
I
them.
played the lady today, you know, doing the vibes. I don't know where he's from, but like Chicago or something, I don't know.
You are doing a great job. Like literally, I'm like fan. Okay. So I think we have to
We're
go.
about to do a couple runs,
Yeah.
tomorrow's shoot day.
But yeah, tell them a little bit about yourself. You know.
A bit about myself.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm ruining this. You're gonna edit this really good, aren't you? Alright, cool.
I might leave
I'm
it in.
20. No, stop.
How old are you? 20?
I am 24.
24. Damn. I'm like 7 years older than you.
Doesn't matter. She always says stuff like this. We are
I'm
one.
your auntie.
No, okay. Auntie O. I'm from Hackney, East London.
Yes, get it. Yeah. Jeez.
Ryan wants to get in.
Supposed to get in.
Hi guys, this is Shay. How long have you been?
Okay, you're gonna
For
do
a
the
very long
interview.
time.
Okay.
I'm new.
Talk about YouTube takeover.
Since like 14.
So I've known Shay since he was like this. Took the camera.
Oh, sorry. Sis. Like okay, cool.
This small.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now you're still dancing together. How cute.
For the first time in a very long time.
Oh.
Yeah, twisted.
Reunited and it. You
Yes.
guys missed it. You missed it. You missed it. Okay. But yeah, guys, we need to go. We need to go now.
I need to go.
So yeah.
Catch y'all on the show
Show
day.
day. Show day tomorrow. Okay. So these are suits, and they're practicing with a newspaper. Oh, Chris. Oh, jeez. Let's go. Anyways, guys, I need to go practice. So guys, this was our rehearsal of Spread It Up. It started off with us being fans, and then it goes to the salon scene. I really, really love the concept, and then the baby comes in and raps with her, and it's just a whole fun affair. And then the hip hop part with the guys doing some tricks, and at the end, that's where I come in with my team, and we're the suits, and we're business people going to work. We're dancing with newspapers. I absolutely love this concept. Hey guys, so I'm finally home from a long day of rehearsals. I feel so sweaty and I just need to like get out this clothes and wash everything, because obviously getting on the trains, this is my second time actually going underground or whatever, and it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Like, the trains are not as packed, but some people are still not understanding social distancing. So even today I had to tell a girl, can you kind of move up so I can sit there? But you know, I know it's going to take a while for us to really adapt to whatever, you know, this is now. But yeah, had a good day of rehearsal. Tomorrow our call time is 9 AM and it's going to be in central London, so I need to leave super early because of where I live and just to avoid any issues with the train. But yeah, I'm really super tired now. I think I'm going to have an early night. I'm going to make sure I do, because these last few days, I don't know what it is, I just get really super creative at night, and yeah, I'm buzzing and I can't sleep. So I'm really going to force myself, read a book and let that take me to bed, or play some gospel just on the background just to calm my spirit. But yeah guys, good day. Yeah, I'm really excited for tomorrow. We're filming a Carnaby Street and we've got permission to film there, so it's going to be really great. My section that I'm doing, obviously we've not tried it, dancing on cobble or concrete or whatever we're going to be dancing on, but we shall see tomorrow. And yeah, good to go really, and I'll keep you updated about day 3. But guys, yeah, I'll keep you up to date with what's going on. Hi guys, so today is shoot day and we're shooting in Carnaby Street. So I just got some food. I've got some Leon because it's super early and I didn't get to have breakfast. Sorry guys if this recording is actually pants, but I decided not to bring my professional camera just because of space. But yeah, we're in Carnaby Street. I've not been here for ages, so it's nice to be in London and be filming. Yeah. You are brilliant. And all the dancers have arrived, so we're just chilling. Makeup all done, ready to go. And I'm wearing my sister's lip gloss brand, dipped in honey, royal jelly, wearing it over my lip liner. Anyways guys, I'm gonna show you where we're kind of chilling until we can, oh gosh, I think I'm lost guys. I think I might be lost, but I'm on my way. Say hello. This is our star. She plays Camila. Tell everyone your name.
It's not Camila, I can't no one actually knows my name.
Morning, Chris.
Good morning, my darling.
Look at his skin just glistening. Hey.
Hello. Yeah,
How are you this morning?
I'm amazing. You know, sharing the beautiful cast that we've got. So guys, I just thought I'll share the look I was rocking with you. I was wearing a light blue Ralph Lauren shirt with some checkered trousers and a brown belt, and also my DMs because I couldn't find any smart shoes to save my life. So guys, this is just some Insta stories that were shared on Carnaby Street. There was people standing and people thinking that was the real Cabello. It was actually really fun. But yeah, these girls were absolutely slaying their section with their heels and the salon. So much fun to film. And this is us playing the crowd at the concert, and my facials are just too funny.
Guys, honestly, I am so happy with the peg we took. We will make it in post, but I am so happy with the process. I don't think you could have asked for a better cast. Like,
Yay!
I just hope that you know how much like it means to me that you guys did this. I hope you all got your little gifts, yeah? You did please, keep in touch with me. Say that. It makes me a hug after I'm just gonna be on the side, but again, love you all.
Thank you,